This is the video and sound quality of the Huawei P30 at around arm's length. This is the video and sound quality of the Huawei P30 at around 2 meters distance. This is the video and sound quality of the Huawei P30 at around 4 meters distance. And this is the sound and video quality of the Huawei P30 using its wide angle lens at around 4 to 5 meters distance. Okay, so this is an example of the telephoto lens on the Huawei P30, and you can see it kicking right there, and you can see the airplane and the glider. They're about 600 meters away, and I'm using the vivid color scheme mode. You can choose from 3 presets on the Huawei P30, so beware of those because it makes the footballers players in this shot colors on their shirt too vivid. Okay, so this is a test of the Huawei P30 selfie cam because of one thing, you want to have control of your picture even if you're a serious vlogger. And I'm doing this for the stabilization test and of course dynamic range and contrast, see how well it copes. So take a look around because now I'm going from the sun and into a tunnel from the outside. So take a look now how it is coping. Well, it seemed to add some kind of light to my face actually inside the tunnel. That was pretty funny. Okay, so right now I'm filming in direct opposing sunlight. I'm filming this mural of Greta Thunberg with the highest setting on the back camera of the Huawei P30. And it's just to see how well does it represent the colors and so forth. And what are the contrast situations? Because these are some very difficult contrast situations when you have this direct opposing sunlight. This is the quality of the evening shot with the selfie cam on the Huawei P30. I have 3 light sources. I have that one. In this room I have that one. And I have that one. That one is the most interesting one because look what happens when I do like this. Yeah, it realizes there's a pretty beautiful man in the picture. And there's not, and there's Andrea. Yeah, so that's the quality of the evening light if you want to vlog at the night on the Huawei P30. This is Brian, your tech friend, and you may want to subscribe to follow Vlogger's Delight for best phones to use when vlogging.